People don't even know the basic traffic rules.
I think that nowadays road rage is increasing a lot. People have lost patience.
People don't want to follow the rules.
There need to be stricter laws and fines for breaking traffic rules.
Everybody is rashly driving, and people don't have any road sense.
According to the International Road Federation, India accounts for about 10% of road accident fatalities worldwide. Nearly 160,000 die in road accidents every year, the highest in the world. The financial loss is estimated at Rs 100,000 crores annually. These statistics are shocking. It means that Indian roads see one accident per minute and one death every 4 minutes.
I think time and again we blame the roads. I think we must now retrospect on ourselves. The way we drive on the road, the way we walk on the road, and way we respond to an accident if it happens. I think there is a great need of us to change in terms of road safety, in terms of safe driving, wearing seat belts, safe laws for pedestrians, and helping somebody if somebody is meeting with an accident without fearing police actions and other things. Those things can be taken care, but it is us who can make the difference.
'India holds the dubious distinction of registering the highest number of road accidents in the world. The issue of making Indian roads safer and the need to look for solutions has become of paramount importance.
I think there are many different factors involved in this. Maybe the infrastructure, the way laws are enforced maybe, but then also one of the most important factors is the way people are being educated here. The education as far as road usage, road safety norms are concerned is comparatively less. And this is where we feel as Maruti Suzuki, we feel that we can help out in this and we can try to educate people in using the road and the vehicles in a better way, a better and a safer way.
5 months back, Abhijit's bike was hit by a speeding car. He is now paralyzed waist down and goes regularly for his physiotherapy sessions. The doctors say that it will take more than a year for him to be back on his feet.
We were following all the rules, but the car that hit us was rash driving. I guess he was not on the rules, safer side. The guys who hit us were drunk. So first of all, just don't drink and drive. It could bring danger to yourself also and the people on the roadside even. Secondly, just follow the rules, all the traffic rules. It could save a person's life.
In almost 80% of such cases, the accidents are caused by negligence on the part of the driver. It is important to make those behind the steering wheel realize the necessity of following traffic rules and regulations. And so, improving driver behavior is of utmost importance.
What does a double yellow line represent?
No idea.
Okay, what does this signal mean?
No entry?
What does an inverted red triangle mean? How often do you check your tire pressure?
In 15-20 days.
What does a flashing yellow light at the signal mean? What does an inverted red triangle mean?
I'm not very sure about it, but it shows that you got to stop because there is some vehicle standing in front of that.
What does a double yellow line represent?
Not having any idea about it.
What does an inverted red triangle mean?
Inverted red triangle is also I'm unaware about.
What is the speed limit on a highway?
60.
What does a double yellow line represent?
Double yellow line, sorry.
To tackle this problem head-on, India's leading passenger car manufacturer Maruti Suzuki embarked on a mission.
We'll be covering about vehicle controls and mechanical. Clutch release करेंगे.
A road safety program fostering safe driving. An initiative that will instill a sense of rational driving and impart knowledge about traffic rules amongst people. Since the inception of this program, Maruti Suzuki has undertaken numerous initiatives to promote road safety across the country in partnership with state governments and the local traffic police.
At Maruti Suzuki, we are India's largest car manufacturer. So it behoves us to come out with, we are getting so many vehicles onto Indian roads every year. So it is almost, we can say, our responsibility to make sure that the people get to use our vehicles in a very nice, comfortable and a safe manner, as also other people. So we want to you want people to use cars and motor vehicles in a safe and very comfortable manner.
It is an initiative that has gained popularity and momentum over the last few years. Maruti Suzuki has extended its training infrastructure by setting up institutes of driving training and research.
वो कुशलता आपके अंदर आए जिससे कि आप सेफ ड्राइव कर सकें, ठीक है?
This facility is today considered one of the model institutes in promoting road safety in the country.
So when they come to our institute to learn driving, so the main problem which we face with them is the lack of confidence. They are not confident to drive on the road. They are not ready to face the traffic. So by this simulator training, we first of all we give them a chance to have all the glimpse of the controls of an automobile. Once they are confident in operating those controls on the simulator, so we can take them on the vehicle, on the actual car.
They are very necessary because if you directly go on the road, you don't know how to start at first. But when you learn prior to your real training session, practical session on the road, it's very helpful because you know how to tackle with traffic or with weather conditions and everything. So it's much more helpful.
Actually, मुझे ड्राइविंग करना इतना नहीं आता था ठीक से, तो इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग ले रहा हूँ कमर्शियल लाइसेंस के लिए. और यहाँ पर जो है गाड़ी चलाना सिखाया जाता है कि ड्राइविंग कैसे करनी है, क्या नियम है, क्या धाराएं हैं. मेनली कि मोटिव यहाँ का ये है कि आपको सेफली ड्राइव कैसे करनी है, खुद कैसे सेफ रहना है और दूसरों को कैसे सेफ रखना है.
रास्ता क्या कहता है सुन लो, रास्ते से तुम पंगा ना लो.
To involve and engage the youth of the country in this initiative, the company roped in the very dynamic Indian Ocean.
का इंजन है चंगा, रफ्तारों से पंगा ना लो.
भागम दौड़ी सब करते हैं, करने दो जी.
The band, with their nationwide appeal and great music, has helped spread a strong message about road safety to the people of the country.
See, music is the best way to reach out and communicate with people, especially the younger audience. So Indian Ocean, it fitted the bill exactly. They are a young, dynamic and a very, the music also is very diverse and is very entertaining. So it is a very nice fit for the sort of exercise that we are having.
Maruti Suzuki's India Road Safety Mission saw not only the common man come out in full support, but had celebrities from all walks of life also endorsing the importance of road safety.
Please wear a helmet, drive safely, don't drink and drive.
I think it's very important for you to take care of your safety and the safety of people around you.
Please don't drink and drive. It's taken away too many precious lives.
Follow the rules, and the rules are made for our safety. So that's what I do. So I hope everybody does that.
Fashion designer Mandira Work makes it a point to buckle up every time she takes her car out. A safety protocol which he swears by.
I think the basic rules for starters, like wear a seat belt. I think it's so mandatory, not just for a person who's driving, I think also for back people. I have actually made that rule in my house that I have a little girl who's only 3 years old and I have a car seat for her. When she was born, she actually was sitting in the car seat from there till now when she goes to school. And for simple rules like the red light, the yellow and the green, which I think is something which one should not even think of breaking. One should have that kind of feeling and emotion, feel that, you know, it's just not safety about your own self, it's also about safety about other people who are driving.
Elated when she got her driving license as a college student, Mandira too was not aware of many traffic rules. But over the years, she has made it a point to learn the signage and drive within speed limit.
Be a safe driver, enjoy your drive, enjoy your car, but safety comes as the most important priority.
And she is not alone. After a narrow escape from an accident a few years ago, Santoor player Aman Ali makes sure he follows all traffic rules while driving.
Honestly, I've had one bad accident. I was not under any influence of alcohol, but I was coming back. I was doing a late night. I was working during the day, and in the evening I'd gone out. I was coming back at about 1:32 in the morning, and I actually dozed off. And that's the first day I realized that I should have a driver at night when I'm tired, or if you go out with friends ever, you go out for a drink, which we all enjoy once in a while. So driving after having alcohol or driving when you're not feeling all up to it is a crime by itself. So till you're not mentally 100% there, you should never sit behind the wheels, ever.
He has become a firm believer of lane driving and never jumps a red light, even if he is getting late for his practice sessions.
Though we all educated people, when it comes to being on the road, something happens to all of us. I don't know what it is. It's a road rage issue that comes in. It's an ego that walks into people. I've noticed a lot of people on the road over here that the most educated class of people don't follow rules while driving. Simple as indicators or putting on your Bluetooth or on your telephone if it's really urgent. Yeah, following traffic rules. I don't know. It doesn't happen yet that much.
Coming to the aid of those learning to drive, Maruti Suzuki has set up 320 driving schools all across the country. Featuring localized simulators and professional monitoring, these institutes are committed to imparting high-quality training. The company plans to double its network of driving schools in the next 2 to 3 years.
We have done a variety of things. One thing that comes to mind is the IDTRs and the MDS that we have started. IDTRs are Institute of Driving and Traffic Management. This basically, we have done this in conjunction with various state governments. We got 7 of them today, as well as our Maruti driving schools. This is in conjunction with our dealer network, and we got around 320 of them today. The first one, it trains various sections of society, truck drivers, bus drivers, etc. Like I said, in conjunction with the state government. So it is a joint effort, collaboration with the state government. And MDS, we are training drivers, giving them refresher courses. This is being done for the general public also.
I wasn't aware at all, I'd say, not just breaking rules, but I wasn't aware at all. And now I know much better than even my father, I'd say.
Basically, जो आपकी
बेसिक वो होती है नॉलेज, वो क्लियर हो गई, मतलब थी लेकिन वो क्लियर नहीं थी, उसमें ना वो शार्पनेस आ गई है, होता है ना प्रॉपरली एक एक चीज़ पता चलना कि क्या होता है। पहले मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं पता थी, स्पीड इंडिकेटर कब देना है, बारिश में आपका डिस्टेंस एक दूसरे व्हीकल से आपके व्हीकल में कितना होना चाहिए था, ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें छोटी छोटी बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता है।
In order to instill the need for safe driving amongst youngsters, Maruti Suzuki started the Young Driver Contest in 2009. A three-stage contest, the initiative saw close to 50,000 registrations in 2013. 1,200 young drivers gave their evaluation test at Maruti Driving School, and the winner drove away in a Maruti Alto 800.
Road education, we wanted to start it young. So we said that people who have just learned driving or in the younger one, they are the best persons to catch at a young age, so that this becomes a way of life with them, and they are able to then train others and help others down this path. So we started this initiative in 2009. The idea is we catch drivers between 18 to 30 years of age, and we select them through a three-way process, starting off with the online test and then practical driving test also. Last year, for example, we got I think more than 50,000 applications for this, registrations for this.
This year, Maruti Suzuki plans to make the road safety mission bigger and better by including all stakeholders involved in making our roads safe for driving. The India Road Safety Mission 2014 Awards, in association with Times Now, will honor individuals under various categories who have worked persistently towards the cause of road safety. An initiative that will reiterate the importance of following traffic rules and regulations.
We thought that we should reach out to the entire all the stakeholders who are involved in the road safety campaign today. It's not only Maruti, obviously, not only Times Now. So many variety of organizations, your NGOs, your PSUs, so many organizations are involved in trying to make our Indian roads safer and educate our general public, etc. So we wanted a program in which we recognize and reward the people who are doing well for this. So we have taken the entire gamut of stakeholders, and we are trying to analyze and trying to trying to show who has done what and award them on that basis. We got a set of parameters. We try to evaluate them on that and give them the recognition that they deserve for that.
Aiming to improve traffic education and develop safe driving habits amongst people, Maruti Suzuki is leaving no stone unturned, from shifting focus from ad hoc road safety activities to sustainable programs.
Road safety is the task, the job, the responsibility of not one person but everyone. Whether he's driving a car, he's a pedestrian, or who's designing a road. But all of us should be on the lookout to be driving responsibly, safely, so that we have a comfortable journey not only for ourselves but for everyone else on the road also.
Maruti Suzuki, through their road safety mission, has trained over 1.9 million people in safe driving practices, dedicated to their cause of making Indian roads safe for everyone.